The BMW iX2 is now also getting a frunk. Let me show you just how easy it is. Remove the engine cover and with a firm pull, insert the frunk into the engine bay and position it correctly. Then place it onto the designated mounting buffers and press down until it clicks into place. Load up the frunk with the charging cable and anything else you might need. Put small items into the double net, just like a desert. And maybe stow the small bag under the net as well. That's all from Joseph about the frunk.